Have you ever wondered how some leaves stay perfectly dry, even in a downpour? Imagine a leaf so slick that water beads up and dances across its surface, defying gravity. Welcome to the fascinating world of hydrophobic plant leaves. These leaves are coated with microscopic, wax-like structures and textures that repel water like a force field. Take the iconic lotus leaf. Its surface is a maze of tiny bumps and wax crystals, causing water to form droplets that roll off instantly, carrying dirt and debris with them. By staying dry, they avoid mold growth, block harmful microbes, and even regulate temperature. Scientists are mimicking these natural designs to create waterproof coatings, self-cleaning fabrics, and more. So next time you see a raindrop glide off a leaf, remember, it's not just water, it's nature's genius at work.